End of train. Wow. That's the Rutherford rail crossing. Anyways, that was a Norfolk Southern train going eastbound on the Roanoke to Crewe line. Just past the Rutherford part of the yard there, Rutherford Street. And when I heard that defect detector go off for 18.0, that's just west of 4th Avenue on this east-west line, which I'm at. Right now I'm on the Woodall Road line. I'm up here at the yard. The east-west yard. It's like a crossover right here. And yeah, there's a train down there. I think he's just shifting though. Seems like lately there's been a lot more train activity at night here. Yeah, here we go. Check that out. I don't know if I can get this good. It's too far off. Anyhow. There's two trains down there. 2 locomotives on 2 separate tracks. Not too far away to get a good picture. Dark. Okay. Now they turn the main lights off. They got just the they dim their lights. Now one guy has got his lights back on. I did hear it sounded like a train horn behind me to the west of my current location. I'm at the end of Woodall Road here in Lynchburg, Virginia. I'm at the what's called the Kenny Point. There's like a split here. Okay. That means he's coming down this way, I think. That's what it sounded like he said. No, the lights down here have changed. No, he's not coming up this way. He is... Okay, there's the other locomotive down there. He just turned his lights back on. Dimmed. Okay. Now, right here is the main line, and there's like a split. This is the Kenny split, and that over there where he's at is the Irving split. They all merge over here, which is out of sight, and on the other side of those trucks. And there's like a trestle that goes over the expressway. Now he might be taking some cars down. Okay. The locomotive that's over here, he just dimmed his lights again. And this guy's pulling, that's the Irving over there, the Irving split. There's like a two-way split. This is Kenny, the other one's Irving. It goes from this east-west line over across the expressway to the north-south line, which is Montview, Norfolk Southern. He hasn't gone all the way across. He might be switching, doing some more switching. Wait and see what's going on here. The signals behind me are still reading red, looking to the west. I'm looking to the east, and I see red signals. Let's see if I can get a better look here. Okay, it sounds like he is backing up now. He might have been switching tracks. There's like double tracks over there before it becomes a single track over here. On the Irving, there's like double tracks, and that's what he's doing. He's backing up. He's backing up on the one of the others. There's like two sets of tracks over there. Over here on the Kenny, there's only one set of tracks right here. I heard the defect detector go off for 170.8. I think that's what it was. That's the Norfolk Southern line. That's north and west. That's up there north of the Amtrak station. That might mean there's a Amtrak train coming down. Might be at the station already. So, we'll find out here shortly. I'm going to pause for a break here real quick. Anyways, it looks like he switched on to one of the other tracks, and he's backed up back into the yard on a different track. And the other locomotive has dimmed his lights. He's only got a single light on right now. They might be assembling an outbound load. Lately there's been a lot of rail activity out here at night, but Not much going on right now. It's getting kind of dark, and haven't heard much on CSX except for the defect detector earlier today, but other than that, the only train I saw going down the tracks was that one that was eastbound at Rutherford Street earlier, which is on the other end of this yard right here. Anyways, I'm at the crossover split here, Lynchburg, Virginia, Norfolk Southern, Woodall Road, on the end of Woodall Road at the Kenny split right down here. The other split on this side is the Irving. That's where it seems to be a lot of the action. These lights all for the eastbound traffic are all reading red, but
if you can at some point put 8 back on air when you shove it down to the east end, okay?
but if I show you my mirror here, that signal right there on this side is yellow, and this one is now red. This one, they're both red earlier, but this one's red. That one's yellow.
8 and the 1, Jason, and then you should have signals straight leg, south leg, or pull around here.
Hmm.
Yeah, he said about 30 minutes he'll be ready.
Okay. Here's an indication that see that signal there in the mirror? On the left side is now, the top one is green, one below it is red, and the ones on the right in the mirror are both red. So that one that was both yellow is now gone green on top, red on the bottom. Okay. We got a train coming. Yeah. Let me get out and... That guy went past that green signal and knocked it down. It's now red. Looks like intermodal. Heading for Roanoke, Virginia. And the defect detector at 18.0 should be going off soon. And the other trains, they turned on their lights before that train showed up. That is the train that just passed us. They're approaching that private crossing down there near the defect detector. Well, that was an intermodal. Now this locomotive is coming back up the Irving split. That train that passed by here, it's on a section of track that's east-west. That's the east-west line is kind of like a single track, That's PTI that just went by. That's like a taxi for the trains. The one locomotive looked like it shut its lights down. There might be one light dim down there. It's hard to see, but...
Norfolk Southern, milepost 18.0, no defects. Repeat, no defects.
Okay, that's that train that just passed us?
Milepost 18.0, no defects. Repeat, no defects.
Yep, that's that train that passed us that went westbound. He just passed, the end of the train is past the defect detector just west of Ford Avenue. That track is like a single line of track right there. Right here we got dual tracks, but it merges into single track up just behind me here. Anyways, like I said, I'm on Woodall Road here, Lynchburg, Virginia, where we get a lot of railroad action here. Looks like he's doing some shifting around. Yeah, that train that passed by us, there's a good section that's single track, so it'll be a while before we see any other trains coming eastbound. They get a lot more north-south traffic on the other line. The other north-south, the Norfolk Southern. Over here in the Montview Yard. Not just Amtrak. Oh, you got the Crescent Amtrak train, and then you got Northeast Regional Amtrak, which cuts through here in order to go westbound toward Roanoke. Alright, we'll wait and see what he does. If he's done do anything else, this might be it for tonight. Well, the two locomotives, they've dimmed their lights and they've been sitting there for about 10-15 minutes now. Lights behind me are reading red for westbound traffic. Eastbound traffic still has a red light. But it wouldn't surprise me that there might be a train coming over this Y from the Montview yard here. I just haven't heard anything talked about in quite a while. It's gotten kind of quiet, so this might be the end of it right here, because I'm not gonna wait all around to see what happens. So, but I hope most of y'all enjoyed this, and like I said, I'm down here in Lynchburg, Virginia, Norfolk Southern railyard here, Woodall Road. I guess I can call it the Woodall yard. The yard on the other side of the expressway, they called that Montview, but there's it's like a split here. One direction goes to the east, one goes to the west. Irving's on the one end, and Kenny is on this end that I'm at right now. They might be looking at some of the flashlights, so they might be doing some checks, I guess. Maybe they're going to pull some cars out, but I'm not going to wait. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. And have a good night.